Why? Because native speakers don't always use the words you learned in school. They use shorter, simpler, more natural phrases. And today, we will show you exactly what they say. In this lesson, you will hear a natural conversation between two friends. You will learn common phrases that native speakers use every day. And today, we will practice saying them yourself. First, listen to a short conversation. Amy and Ben are old friends. They haven't seen each other for a long time.
First, you will listen to a short English conversation. Just relax and try to understand the main idea. Don't worry about every single word. This will help you enjoy listening and understanding natural English better.
Oh my goodness, Ben! It's been so long. How are you doing?
Amy, I know, right? I'm doing really well, thanks. What about you? How have you been?
Honestly, things have been pretty good. I just got a new job, actually.
No way! That's awesome! What kind of work is it?
It's at a marketing company. I just started, so I'm still getting used to it. But so far, so good.
That sounds really exciting. I'm sure you'll be great at it.
Thank you. That means a lot. What about you? Are you still at the same company?
Yeah, I am. But to be honest, I'm thinking about making a change. I feel like I need something new, you know?
I totally get that. Sometimes you just need a fresh start.
Exactly. Anyway, it's so good to catch up with you. We should do this more often.
Absolutely. Let's not leave it so long next time.
Agreed. Same time next week?
It's a deal.
Now, let's learn some useful new words from the conversation. I'll explain the meaning of each word and give you some easy examples.
Vocabulary.
I know, right? You say, I know, right? When you agree with someone strongly. It means, yes, I think exactly the same thing. It is very common in everyday English conversation. Examples. The weather is beautiful today. I know, right? I love it. That movie was amazing. I know, right? I watched it twice. So far, so good. You say, so far, so good when things are going well until now. It means everything is okay at the moment. You are not finished yet, but there are no problems yet. Examples. How is your new job? So far, so good. I like it. Is the trip going well? So far, so good. No problems yet. I totally get that. You say, I totally get that when you understand someone's feelings very well. It means I understand you completely. It shows the other person that you are listening and that you care about what they said. Examples. I feel nervous about my exam. I totally get that. I feel the same. I miss my family. I totally get that. It is not easy. Well done! Now you know 3 very natural English phrases. These are phrases that native English speakers use every single day. Start using them today. Use them with your friends, use them at work, use them when you practice English. The more you use them, the more natural your English will sound. And remember, watch this video many times. Repetition is the secret to speaking English fluently.
Listen,
The first time, we will speak slowly. The second time, we will speak at normal speed.
After you hear the sentence, repeat it out loud.
Try to copy our pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Speak clearly and with confidence.
Don't worry about being perfect, just speak. The more you repeat, the more natural your English will sound.
Ready? Let's practice together.
Oh my goodness, Ben! It's been so long. How are you doing? Oh my goodness, Ben! It's been so long. How are you doing?
Amy! I know, right? I'm doing really well, thanks. Amy! I know, right? I'm doing really well, thanks. What about you? How have you been? What about you? How have you been?
Honestly, things have been pretty